enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for joining me. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. If you are returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so we have another headband wig review today. Now this is actually a synthetic headband wig, so we know it's going to be a little more affordable. This unit comes from AIYUAILIN, so huge shout out to them for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Now this unit can be found on Amazon, which is my absolute favorite place to shop. Alright, so we're going to dive right into the unpackaging. This unit does come with one headband, and this is the hair straight out of the package. It comes with the standard attached headband, however this one is velvet. It does have one comb at the very top, one in the back with the adjustable straps and a breathable cap.
Be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
This is what you would call like a less than 5 minutes type of wig. Takes no time. Just throw this wig on. You don't have to do any combing out because it's synthetic. It has these really nice like water wave type of curls. Looks like I'm ready to go to the beach or something. Vacay ready. Like the curls are really pretty. So this unit did only come with one headband, which is the headband that I'm wearing, and which is super cute. I am used to companies sending a few more headbands than just one. So this is the first time I've only received one. But it is one of those headbands where I actually like the quality of the headband because it's wide and it's thick. Now, because it's synthetic, this hair may tangle eventually, but I'm not getting a whole lot of it right now. And because of the style of curl that this is, you wouldn't be really running your fingers through this kind of hair. I have gotten just a little bit of shedding though. Not a lot, but enough to notice. I think this hair is like perfect length. This is about 16 to 18 inches. Very nice length. And you can restyle this in, you know, various ways, just like most of the headbands. You know, you can do your half up, half down. You can do like a little top knot. I'm not going to go through all these styles right now, but it is very versatile and you have options. You don't have to just wear it down. So versatility. So another unique thing about this headband wig that I have not actually seen on any other headband wigs that I've received is that the headband is actually velvet. You know, kind of like the wig grip that we wear. So I kind of like that. That's different. Now, let me also point out though, if you watch my videos, I always say I have a small to medium sized head. This cap was a little struggle. It was very difficult. I don't know if it was because of the velvet and like trying to get it all flushed, but it was very difficult, like pulling it all the way forward and straightening out the entire headband. I was just like why am I struggling? I don't know, but yeah, it was a little bit of a struggle. So I'm not that comfortable saying that this is all hair friendly. Normally, most headband wigs are pretty spacious, but yeah, not this. So I initially said that this was shedding a little bit. No, it's shedding quite a bit. I keep pulling hair out of the bottom of this wig. Like, I just keep pulling hair out. So, yeah, it's definitely shedding quite a bit, actually. Now, the price of this wig on Amazon is $25.99. I will be sure to include the direct link as well as all of the information about this wig down in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. Alright y'all, so that's really all that I have for this video. If you're not already, please be sure to follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.
Fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, down, down.